This illustration deals with the adjustable trip circuit breakers. In accordance with NEC 240.6, C as in car 1 through C in 4. Now, the purpose of change was to provide a new item here. And the new item has been added to clarify that electrical equipment with modern electrical trip units provide the ability to read just the settings, so a set password can be used to keep unauthorized users from damaging or changing the settings. So when we look at the rule, if this cover here has to be removed to get to the settings, then that's okay. The settings are behind a locked cover, or you could have the settings behind a locked door. Now, if that should be the case, then you could have a locked door, a door with a punch key number or swipe card. But now they're saying you need behind locked doors accessible only to personnel with a password that complies with 240.6 C2 and C3 as well as C4. So you have to read that whole thing to get it. So I suggest you review the NEC loop that's boxed in right above the switchgear here in 240.24A, 240.24B1, 230.72C exception, and 230.71. Now, adjustment means is 240.6, C1 through C4. But what they're saying, if you can't lock up the adjustable settings, then you need to lock the door, and you can have accessibility only qualified persons with a password, and that guards so that someone couldn't come in there that's unauthorized, don't know what they are doing, and mess with those adjustments. And that doesn't have to be employees just working there. It could be craftsmen that might want to do that. So this was providing this new rule that you do need a password now for the qualified persons to be able to get in there under the conditions that are listed in 240.6 C1 through C4.